Assalamu alaikum. In this video I will show you how to install Ubuntu 22.04. I just install my USB and click my boot system boot menu. In my case it's my HP laptop. I click F9 and you have to boot your USB. I just click second option which is my USB UEFI Kingston is my USB name, and here first option you have to just click on install Ubuntu. Okay, first click option, enter, and you can see now your computer will pick up the Ubuntu from the flash drive. Just wait a moment and you can see all the updates on your screen. So here it's under processing and now you can see it picks the Ubuntu. Okay, in many cases boot menu is different. In the case of HP, F9 is the boot menu, but in case of Dell laptop mostly F10 is the boot menu. So first of all you have to shut down your whole computer and have to install your USB, and then open your computer and you have to enter your boot menu key, which I told you. For the case of HP it's F9. Okay, you have to click several times until your PC just catches the boot button, and now you can see it fetches the Ubuntu and now it's under processing. And here you can see the Ubuntu desktop is now on your screen, and what you have to do now is just install Ubuntu 22.04. The next step is the installation. The first is you can also try Ubuntu, and the next step is install. You have to click on install Ubuntu. After clicking you have to select your language, it's English, so just go on with that. Now what you have to do, you have to connect your PC with the internet. So for that choose your device of your internet as per your concern. If already connected then it connects automatically, but if your device initially not have installed with any other connection, so it cannot pick up. So you have to put your installation medium, like you have to put username and password of that internet and log in it again. Okay, in my case my PC is not connected with the internet as earlier. Now I'm trying to log in my Wi-Fi, and here is my it's depend on you. Okay, in my case I am connecting it by ED-ROM, which is my internet in my university, and I am trying because I just forgot my email and password. So for that I am pausing my video here and let me check my password and email, and I will put it, then we will continue. Okay, you can see now I am just writing my email and password, and then I click on next. You can see now my Wi-Fi is connected with my device. Now you just have to click next. After clicking on next, you can see here you have to install Ubuntu normally. Okay, here's my back menu again. So here you have to click on the first, install Ubuntu normally. Okay, And in the third thing, you also have to check. I should prefer you to just click third option too. Okay, it will better installation for your PC. Okay, so I'm just clicking on the third option and have to click next for further process. Once I click next, a new pop-up will happens to my screen, which you see here, installation type. Okay, now again you have to click the first option, not the second one. If you click on to the second one, your previous window is vanishes. Okay, if you don't want to vanish your windows, then select first option. But if you want only Ubuntu that you are installing, then you will work, so you will also click on the second option, but I prefer go for the first option. So here you can select your device, because I partition my Ubuntu and window both. I have to run my Ubuntu and window both in the same computer. So for that I clicked on to the first option before, which I told you. And here now I have to divide my partition into two parts. My whole computer is 512 GB, so I have to divide it into two parts, like I am going to giving 256 GB to Ubuntu and 256 GB to my Windows, so I can run both at the same time. Okay, just click next after setting the storage medium. Just click on next. Again next. So here you can see a new pop-up happens, and this is to set your location, live location. And now you have to set your name, then you have to select your username, whatever you like, and you have to set a password for your Ubuntu. And similarly then you have to confirm your password. After that all, you have to click to next option. Okay, this is mandatory. So you can see now my Ubuntu is installing in my PC. So that's all for the process. Now it's on installation medium. It's basically took 10 to 20 minutes for complete installation. After that you can upgrade your device. So I'm just rewinding my video up to 10x, so it's better for you. you can see now my Ubuntu is completely installed. Now you have to click on finish option, whatever in your PC is coming, you have to click install now. Okay, your installation is complete. Now it's basically restart, and you can see now it already fetches the Ubuntu option. It already picked without any boot manager. Now you have to pick out your USB, because it says pick out the installation medium and click on to the next button. After removing your USB, click enter, and you can see now your Ubuntu is now opening. Here you have a choice, either you have to open your Ubuntu or window manager boot. Okay, so once you open your PC, you can see there is an option. Okay, first is the continue will to Ubuntu, and in the third is boot manager, window boot manager. So if you want to open Windows, and then you have to click to the third option, but if you want to use Ubuntu, then as usual what I just click for the first option, and I am now opening my Ubuntu 22.04 version. Now here's look the main screen. First of all, you have to click your username which you selected as in the installation medium. Now after clicking by mouse, you can see your Ubuntu version will require your PC password. The password which you selected before, you have to put it, and you can see now your Ubuntu is just open, and all the installation medium it's now done. Now the only thing is that you have to upgrade your Ubuntu. Okay, and similarly you have to update your Ubuntu. You can do this by going into the terminal and writing a script that sudo apt update. Similarly, this will update all the previous things. And the next thing is you have to upgrade your Ubuntu. You have to click into the terminal sudo apt upgrade. Okay, it also took 10 minutes to upgrade. After that, your Ubuntu is now complete and ready to use. Okay, you can see this is the terminal where you will have to do commands and run your specs as per your concern. Okay, so that's all for today. We learned how to install your Ubuntu 22.04 with the help of a USB. First of all, basically I put my USB as a portable USB. So how to make a USB as portable? So this is another thing. You can make your USB as portable quite easy. You can see anywhere. Okay, how to make a USB as a portable? First of all, you have to install Ubuntu 22.0204 version from anywhere or from official website. After installing, then you can do this process to put your installed medium in your USB, so it will be there forever. Okay, so after making portable, just shut down your PC and install your USB flash drive, and just restart or open your PC by clicking onto the power off button, and you can now enter the each and every things. Okay, you can see my Ubuntu is now completely installed. Here is my drop down menus for Wi-Fi, brightness and everywhere. So I just log out my Ubuntu. So let me show you. Also my window is working in my same computer. Okay, so I just power off my computer, and now I am trying to power it on again. Okay, now I just powered my computer on, and once it appears this menu, I have go into the third option, window manager boot. Okay, so now you can see my Ubuntu will not open. Okay, it will open my Microsoft. Okay, Microsoft window, which already I have in my computer. Before I have been using Windows 11 Pro. Okay, so you can see my Windows 11 Pro is now open in the same PC where I am using Ubuntu 22.04. Okay, you can see every aspect is working correctly fine. You can use dual boot on the same PC by this process. Okay, so this is all for today. You learn how to install Ubuntu version 22.04. Also the latest version you can install. The latest version is nowadays is 2024. Okay, you can also update this official Ubuntu version from official website. And the best thing is make a portable USB and install your Ubuntu with same process which I told you. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned with us. Allah Hafiz.